browning some pre-cooked pork belly, I got a little trick for you guys. It's gonna be a great trick. I think you're gonna be impressed. And now I'm gonna take this pork belly that I've crisped up. The knife is a measuring stick. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna crisp the sides up just a little bit. Just crisp the sides up nicely. Time for the batter. Cup of milk. An egg. Just whisk this up together. 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Bit of honey. Okay, I got my batter, I got my hot dogs, and I got my pork belly. Now, I'm gonna heat the oil to 350. I'm gonna monitor that pretty good. 350 is the right temperature. I'm gonna dip these over the oil and cook them for 3 minutes. Let's go get them. Okay, so what you wanna do, you wanna get this batter all over it. And you wanna dip it in the oil as soon as you have it dipped. You kind of put it in for a couple seconds at an angle. Get it ready, then dump it in there. Cook for 3 minutes. Let's make a dipping sauce. We have some honey, some sriracha, some mayo. Oh, that's really good. Wait, it's missing hallelujah lime. Need some sodium in there and a little citrus to push it over.